The bomb is here 1, 2, 3. Regardless of the ending chosen in this game, when the characters found a way out of life. Something fell? Something fell! Crashing noise? Was it that loud? I don't think it's Time Might. Time Might's pretty quiet. Let me... Might be Time Bomb. That was a sneeze. Nah, that's not a sneeze. Probably not. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Please check. There's probably nothing to check. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Let me check. Okay. It was a plate. Nothing bad's happening. No robbers, no anything. It's all good. We good here. Don't worry about it. No idea what kind of plate it was, but yeah. And besides, if someone's here, I have my muscles, my gains, so don't worry about it.